naghahanap ka ng property sa Pasig, well, look no further. Dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa Satori Residences, one of the latest RFO projects of DMCI Homes. So, almost complete na po siya. So, tara, samahan ninyo ako. Let's explore naman Satori Residences. Satori Residences is composed of 5 buildings called Amani, Akana, Lana, Rahu, and Yasu. Having 14 to 15 residential floors per building, it is considered a mid-high-rise project with a neo-minimalist architectural theme. It is located along F. Pasco Avenue, Barangay Santolan, Pasig City, and is accessible through multiple major highways such as Marcos Highway, Amang Rodriguez Avenue, and E. Rodriguez Jr. Avenue, or more commonly known as C5. With its strategic location of being near the border of Pasig and Rizal, residents can access major cities and central business districts with the convenience of having a quick getaway in the province of Rizal with its mountainous terrain and local resort establishments. So upon entering the gate, you have your driveway. Even the driveway is beautifully landscaped. May mga maliliit na faux grass tayo. Lots of greeneries. So yung pa lang, bubungon na sa inyo kung gaano kalawak o kaaliwalas yung property natin. This is the first building, Amani Building. Ayan siya. So, ito yung pinakaunang building sa buong Satori Residences. So it composes of 5 towers. So ayan, Amani Building, the first one. And so as we go further the driveway, makikita na natin yung mga other buildings, which is yung Hakana, Lana, Rahu, and Yasu building. And so, under construction pa lang, pero dito yung ating entrance for the parking for Amani building. So, dun sa mga nagtatanong if bahain po ba sa area, hindi naman po. Pero, just to be sure, medyo nakikita nyo naman yung incline ng Satori. So, tinaasan talaga nila yung property. As you can see, medyo mataas yung tambak natin when it comes to this property. Ayan siya in comparison dun sa baba. So, straight downhill siya. Okay. And then, may mga landscape gardens din tayo dito. Ayan. Check natin siya. So, may asphalt walkway din tayo dito, no? Ayan. So this is actually a jogging path that goes all throughout sa ating property. Doon yung exit niya, actually magkabitan yan. Okay. So may small garden tayo dito para kung gusto nilang mag-walk ng pets or kung saan kayo gustong mag-refresh na. So pagpasok natin, like I've said earlier, meron tayong drop-off area, and then that leads to our second building here in the property, which is Akana building. Now, all of them have 16 floors each. Ayan. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng lobby. So, andito din yung ating reception desk for deliveries and mga guests. And then you have the spacious open lounge na. So, you can definitely lounge here with your guests, friends, family. Kung gusto nyo dito lang tumambay, pwede. As you can see, tagusan din yung open lounge natin. So, all the natural ventilation, all the natural lighting, pasok na pasok. Hindi po feeling kulob yung lobby natin dito sa Satori. Alright, so right now, nandito tayo sa first part ng ating amenities sa Satori. So this is actually the lounge pool. So may mga water jets po tayo dyan, and mababaw lang yung lalim ng pool natin dito. So pwede kayo magtampisaw, makaliwala, sobrang presko, and you can actually see all towers here. So like I said earlier, this is Akana building. Then you have Lana building right here. And on that one, that is the Rahu building. And then dun sa last na building natin, that is the Yasu building. Ayan. So as you can see, super lawak nung property natin dito sa Satori. Sobrang presko din. Wala tayong katabing other properties na high-rise. So lahat ng hangin pasok sa atin. Yan. And like I've said earlier, ito yung Amani building naman. So yan siya ngayon. Meron na din tayong shower area for the lounge pool. Yan. So explore pa natin yung mga amenities natin doon. Also, we have cottages din. So, kung napagod kayo sa kaka-swimming or gusto niyo lang ng place to leave your things, yung tuwalya po ninyo or yung mga food, pwede dito sa lounge areas natin, sa mga cottages natin. So, tara, check natin yung other amenities. So, naka-move in na tayo further sa ating amenity areas. So, here naman, we have our lap pool. So, pwede yung gamitin yan. Mas malalim naman ito compared sa ating lounge pool. So, ayan, nasa 5 feet na po ang lalim ng ating lap pool. Now, you also have some lounge beds that you can use kung gusto nyo mag-sunbathing or magbilad lang sa araw. So, kasunod ng ating lap pool, we actually have the second tower, which is Lana Tower. Ayan. So, may works pa na ginagawa, but turning over soon na din sila. For Hakana, we've turned over some units already. So, may mga nakatira na po dyan as of today. So, after the lap pool, meron na naman tayong small garden area dito sa tapat ng Lana Building. Ayan siya. So, as we continue further dun sa walk path ng ating mini garden, we are now here at the children's pool area. Ayan. So, pwede yung mga chikiting, mga bagets dito. Kung gusto nilang mag-swimming lang. And we actually have a slide for them to enjoy. So, sobrang saya niyan kapag nag-slide up and down lang sila. And then, definitely, may mga playmates sila here that can use the pool as well. And so, para naman po sa mga bantay, meron naman po tayong cottages na pwede nyong upuan para to watch over the kids while they're swimming in the swimming pool. So, moving further, dito naman tayo sa children's play area. They have seesaws, swings, slides, small play area lang natin to. We actually even have a huge trampoline para sa mga kids to enjoy in front of Lana Building. So, katabi lang siya ng children's pool area na pwede silang mag-stay dito at mag-play sa ating play area. Okay? Back dun sa jogging path natin. So, may bakod pa po kasi. So, hindi pa kita. But that's where our open grass area and basketball court will be located. So, may full basketball court po tayo dito sa Satori. So, kung mahilig kayo mag-basketball, you can definitely reserve the unit. Now, we have the Rahu building here and the Yasu building over there. So, they're still under construction but soon to be turned over by next year. Pasensya na ulit sa audio kasi madami pa po tayo ginagawa. Lana, almost ready na siya for turnover. So, hinihintay lang natin siyang matapos yung construction. Alright, so as with all DMCI properties, we implement our Lumivent technology. So the huge openings you see at the side of the building are Lumivents. So dyan po papasok lahat ng natural air and lighting natin sa building. So hindi lang po sa ground floor meron yan, meron din siya at other floors. And we call them sky patio. Right there sa sky patio. So mamaya check natin din yan para makita ninyo kung ano yung tsura ng atrium level. So this is what the atrium level looks like. And siya. So all the natural air and lighting pasok na pasok po. So if you have a unit here, like this one, then definitely sobrang presko, sobrang maaliwalas, sobrang mahangin. And then, you have your high-speed elevators. Nandito naman tayo back again sa jogging path. But this time, nasa kabilang side naman na tayo ng amenities. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Lana building. So, if nakaharap away from amenities yung unit po ninyo, huwag po kayo maglala, hindi siya mukhang kulog. And we will be adding lots of plants dito sa gilid, just like with other DMCI properties, so that it's really, really refreshing to see. Sobrang maaliwalas and promotes fresh air. Now, for security reasons, we have electrified fences. So, hindi na po kayo mag-aalala na may mag-over the bakod. And that's a deterrent for them. Yan. So, ito yung itsura nung open lounge from the opposite side of the amenity area. As you can see, lots of plants are being prepped. We will put that on this side para maaliwalas and very refreshing tignan. So in Hakana building naman, we have our entertainment room, which is inside the open lounge area. So once we enter, we are greeted by a huge flat screen TV. So nasa around 60 inches or 70 inches yung TV natin dyan. Very well decorated, well interior din. So ganito yung area niya. So kasya dito around 10 to 15 people. So pwede nyong i-book to if you are a resident here in Satori Residences. So if you want to have meetings, family gatherings, pwede nyo siyang i-book. Or mga manood lang ng laban ni Pacquiao, NBA Finals, or actually you can bring your own device. Pwede nyo rin kayong mag-karaoke dito. Yan. Pwede natin siyang i-book from the BMO office. Yan. So right now, dito naman tayo sa roof deck ng Hakana for the Sky Lounge. As you can see, paglabas nyo pa lang, you have 360-degree view of Metro Manila. Yan. Kitang-kita nyo naman ang views all over. So, explore natin lahat ng views dito. Actually, that project is another DMCI Homes project. That's Mireya Residences. So, ayan. And then, if you look over here, ayan, we have naman Ortigas area. Ayan, Ortigas area over there. Ayan. Okay. This one is Eastwood. Malapit kayo sa Eastwood, Ortigas area. Over there lang yung Ortigas area. Madali na lang siyang puntahan if you're in Satori. So, here's naman our Sky Lounge. So may free wifi po tayo dito sa Sky Lounge natin since part po siya ng association dues na binabayaran natin para all the time connected. Pwede din kayong mag-video calls with friends here. Pakita sa kanila yung different views ng Satori. So, here's Marikina view naman of Satori. So, one of your main malls na malapit is Ayala Malls Feliz. Pwede nyong puntahan po yan. So, dyan na lang po kayong mag-grocery. Pero, hindi naman po need kasi may Save More na mas malapit dito. That is Marcos area na din po. So if you like going to Antipolo, you can use this way to go there po. Ayan. Now there, you also have Robinsons East. And over there, you have Robinsons East and Santa Lucia Mall. Okay. Tapos ito po, that's your LRT station na po, that one. Yung malaking complex na po yan. So, yan po dadaan yung LRT. Yun yung LRT Santolan station natin. This one. Right there. So, LRT 2, Santolan, may bago pa silang stations, which is Marikina Station and Antipolo Station. So, if you want to go to Antipolo via train, pwede. Sakay lang po kayo ng LRT Santolan or mga jeepneys po natin along Marcos Avenue. Ayan. So you can see more of the Sky Lounge. Ayan. So, may mga benches po tayo. So kung gusto nilang magpahinga, pwede. Magmuni-muni lang. Ayan. This part naman po, ayan, that's QC area naman na. Ayan, QC area. So those are also DMCI properties po. So yan ang mga new projects namin na high-rise. That one is Infina Towers. And then on the other one, that's the Orabella. Ayan. So kitang-kita siya from here since nakatingin din tayo sa QC area. Ayan. So ito naman po yung Amani building and yung ating drop-off area from earlier. So up to the fence lang po yung property natin. Ayan. So from this view naman, makikita po natin ang full amenities ng Satori. So, andito po from earlier, so andito po yung ating lounge pool, you have your lap pool, yung cottages natin, the jogging path all the way around the property, you have your lounge pool or kiddie pool there also, and then yung children's play area, yung po siya, and then you're gonna have a basketball court and open grass area dun sa part po na yun. So, under construction pa siya for now. So, abangan natin kung once na na-finish na, ano po magiging itsura. Ayan. So, yung mga nakabili din po sa Rahu and Yasu units, ayan po ang construction update din natin. Ayan. So, yan na po siya. Malapit na po silang ma-turn over lahat. Also, part po ng Sky Lounge is our function area. As you can see, you can also accommodate a certain number of people. Mga 80 packs, 50 to 80 packs. Pwede here. There's a small kitchenette para sa mga servers natin kung magpapakater po kayo. And meron silang sariling room to operate in. Air conditioned also. So pwede tayong mag-set ng events here. Mag-book lang po tayo with the PMO. So from the atrium levels, we actually have sky patios. So sky patios are Lumivents also. Pero this time, nasa taas na siya. Hindi na siya compared sa kanina na nasa ground floor. And din siya. Okay. The residents can just hang out here, chill. You know, mag-relax lang kayo. Nandito naman tayo sa fitness gym ng ating Satori Residences. This is located in basement 1. Ayan. And kumpleto na po siya ng mga machines para sa inyong workout. And also, mas malaki siya compared sa other projects. As you can see, there's lots of open space. Pwede kayong mag-classes dito for Zumba, dancing. Ayan. Meron ding malaking TV para if ever na-try yung sundan yung mga instructional video sa YouTube, pwede. Paalam lang tayo sa PMO ko. Gagamit tayo ng open area dito sa gym. We also have lockers right here for the gym. So, pwede siyang gamitin ng ating mga residents. Now, the gym has certain fees kasi hindi naman po lahat nag-gym. So, hindi po namin siya sinasama sa association dues. So, you have to pay at the PMO for a gym membership here in Satori and other projects. So, pasensya na po sa audio. Baka may narinig kayo nagpupo sa likod. May under construction pa po. But there's also a convenience store that's going to be open sa Satori Residences. Wala pa po siya as of now. So, nandito po siya lahat sa basement 1. So, moving further then, we have our drinking station, water station. And so, we have water station also here in Satori. So, complete tayo ng machine. Here naman, under construction pa siya. This is the laundry area. So, magkakaroon po tayo dyan ng laundry machines. Ayan, actually, nandiyan na siya. Ayun, no? You can see. Mga laundry machines po yan na card operated. So, hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng washer and dryer. So, here in DMCI Home, syempre gusto namin you are as convenient as you can be. We dito sa property ninyo. So aside from the convenience store, the water station, the laundry area, we will be also adding an ATM area here in basement 1 para you don't have to go outside and withdraw money. May ATM na tayo dito sa loob ng property. So yun nga guys, no? Thank you so much for joining me here at our video tour of the Satori residences here in Pasig. Now, if you want to learn more about this property or if you want to inquire, please send me a message at my contact number, call, text, Viber, WhatsApp at 0915-522-9470. Or you can send me an email at jsmrbmng@gmail.com. Also, to stay up to date din sa ating mga latest DMCI Homes news and updates, please don't forget to follow me on social media with my Facebook page at DMCI Homes by Joe Domingo. And also, I am on Instagram at DMCI Homes by Joe D. Okay? So, ayun lang po for today. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and sticking with me up to this point in the video. So, don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube page para every new video upload about DMCI Homes properties, you'll be notified as well. So, yun lang for now. Stay tuned for the next project that I will feature here in my videos. So, paalam! Skibidi-da-dee-dee-da-da-da.